How to put referral code on Cash App. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can put referral code in Cash App. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Cash App and make sure to log in with your login credentials. Once you're on this page, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Now once you're on your profile page, scroll down a bit and at the very end there is an option that says referral code. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will land on the next page where you will get a text box to enter your referral code. So there, simply type in your correct referral code and then tap on enter. So with that, you can put or redeem your referral code in Cash App. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.